carbon fiber inside the box.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So could you tell me your name first and what's in here real quick first?
Name's David. This is a 23 Audi S5 with 4 DD 710Fs on an M8000.
Nice.
And half an ohm.
Wow. Did you do all this?
Yep.
Very nice.
It has taken me weeks. Let's see, what can we play?
And the seat goes up if you need?
Yeah.
Okay. How big is the box?
It is 6.5 cubes before displacement, before port.
I saw you were doing some like really fashion work inside the box. That looked really good.
Yeah, I'm doing carbon fiber, real carbon fiber inside the box, and the outside of the box we'll have it next week. I just didn't have time to get it done.
It's all good.
For the show.
And this is at 1 ohm?
Half an ohm.
Half ohm. Oh wow, a lot of power. Okay. And where's your lithium or alternator or battery?
It's underneath the. I got 12 excess power caps underneath the box in the battery compartment.
Oh, got it. Okay. Is this your daily driver too? Okay.
Yeah.
What year Audi?
It's a 23 S5.
Oh wow, pretty new.
Yeah, I avoided the warranty.
And you kept the stock? The radio?
Yeah, it's stock. It's ran through a line converter.
Okay.
And then we bypassed the stock amp completely for everything.
Wow.
So there's nothing hooked to the stock amp anymore.
Okay. Did a good job. I appreciate you showing me, man.
Yeah,
very unique. Don't
it's
often
been a
see
lot
something
of work.
Like that. Oh, I'm sure.
It.
Yes, sir. JacobViral.
Sinful S5 or sinful_S5 on Instagram.
All right, got it. Got it on video.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Wrapping it in carbon fiber that matches this.
Okay.
A little different than the last time you saw it. Carbon fiber inside the box. Now I got to do the outside. Oh, that's sick. Wow. I got to force
is this your daily driver too? Okay.
Yeah.
What year Audi?
It's a 23.
23.
S5.
Oh wow, pretty new.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you showing me, man.
Yeah,
Very unique. Don't
it's
often
been a
see
lot
something
of work.
like that. Oh, I'm sure.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Jacob, your name again?
David.
David. Thank you, David, for the demo.